Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Bang & Olufsen BEOPLAY E8 first generation wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or you're only getting sound out of one ear, so the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. You might also want to do this if you just want to delete all of the pairing history and settings off of them so that you can set them up as though you're just setting up a brand new set of earbuds. We can do this quite easily. First thing we need to do is make sure they have a decent charge, and then we're going to take them out of the case and turn them on by just tapping the back button on the right earbud. And once they're on, we're just going to press and hold the back button on both earbuds simultaneously while keeping an eye on that right earbud. And when the right earbud starts to flash red, that means that the reset is complete. We can go ahead and release the buttons. And now you're going to need to pair them again with your phone because they will not pair via the old pairing. So you'll want to delete the old pairing off of your phone or other device and go ahead and set these up as a brand new set of earbuds.